Design and art is fun, it's play, it's experimentation, it's engagement.
You know, you get here, you see this beautiful space, and you feel welcome.
The SUNY Cobleskill graphic design program has an associate's degree and a bachelor's degree both. Many design programs are housed in larger art departments. Here, all of our faculty are focused on building students' foundations in the field and giving them the skill set that they can use in the marketplace.
Our curriculum is based on a foundation in the skills that fine artists use.
Design can be so many different things. It isn't just making things on paper. It's understanding creative problem solving. It's understanding the process of becoming a divergent thinker.
The graphic design program has the use of the entire old gym building.
And we have a community here, really, particularly since 2015 when we created the old gym as really the design and art center hub on campus.
It's one of the coolest places on campus. I mean, even non-majors hang out here.
There's 2 Mac labs downstairs where students can work with the Adobe programs.
We have a large format printer. We have several high-end inkjet printers, as well as a large capacity laser printer.
We have a drawing studio, a painting studio, an art gallery, a design studio.
The gallery is always nice because it gives us a chance to, there are sometimes student works, there are sometimes guest artists that display their work in the gallery, and having the chance to see other artists outside of our little college community come in and be like, wow, this, like, someday this could be my work, and having it here and hosted here and seeing the process and how it works is really, really nice.
Every semester we sponsor a trip to a museum or to New York to sort of the gallery districts.
We find that getting out of the classroom and getting to see art and design in the world is an invaluable experience for our students. They complete their 4-year program with a senior show where they demonstrate their skills in all of the areas that we teach in our courses. It allows them to pick a challenge, pick an idea, pick a topic, and address it with design.
And also we invite people from industry and from the local community to come and ask questions about it, so that dialoguing about their artwork is an important part of what designers do, describing what it is, you know, what the problem was and how they solved it with graphic design.
Is taking these things that have only existed in this sort of virtual world and making them physical and putting them up on the walls.
I sort of started with a brand identity, sort of coming up with a mission statement, vision statement, figuring out what this company is interested in doing, and building upon that to sort of create an image for this company.
It's exciting for all of us when it comes around every year.
We know what they need, and we understand how to stack skills. So by the end, they leave with everything they need to go get a job.
Many students go and do internships over the summer off campus, but a lot of students have the opportunity to do internships directly on campus during the school year. It's a great opportunity for our students to put their skills to the test right away. We are all passionate about what we do. We love art, we love design, and engaging with students is the most exciting part of our job.
So if you want to be a working designer, that's what I would say to prospective students. Come with us and we'll get you to where you want to go.